Then let's continue with quick multiplication by 9. Quick multiplication nguku. Quick multiplication by 9, start from form, a formula that we have to use. As you know, 9 is equal to 10 minus 1. Means that the quick multiplication of 9, you take 9 times 10 and 9 times 1. Then here example 8 times 9 is equal to, quick multiplication is to take this number 80 times 10 minus 1. So because 10 minus 1 equal to 9, they are the same. 80 times 10 is equal to 18 minus 8 times 1 is equal to 8. So 80 minus 8 is equal to 72. This is how we do a quick multiplication by 9. Then quick multiplication by 11, because 11 is equal to 10 plus 1. An example, 80 minus 11. So we will take 80 times 10 plus 1, which is equal to 80 times 10, which is equal to 80 plus 80 times 1, which is equal to 80. This one will be equal to 88. Okay. Then let us continue here. Here you have quick by 49. By 49, 50 minus 1, because 49 is equal to 50 minus 1. Then 50 times 5, take that number times 5 and also times 10. So let me show you for 9. For 9 is 10 minus 1. So it means that you may take that number times 10 or add 0. Let me show you here. Take this 8, then add it minus this 8. Will be equal at the same. Ufata uwo mubare baguhaye ukongeraho 0 ugakuramo uwo mubare baguhaye, bizangana n'ubundi uko wakora quick multiplication by 9. Then let us continue for 11. We have this number add 0 plus that number also are the same. For 11 you have to take that number add 0 the number. The difference there is for 9 is minus, for 11 is positive or plus. Then 49 times 50 minus 1. Here it will be equal to 49 times 10 times 5. Then here it will be equal to also minus 49. Sorry. Then here 49 times 10 times 5 times 10 is to add 0, and then minus 49. The question is 49 times 49. Ikibazo angani 49 kuri 49. Then it will be equal to 2211. So now let us continue with 99 is equal to 100 minus 1. So 8 minus 99, it will be equal to 8 times 100 minus 1, which is equal to that one. Summary here. Let me explain you summary. For 9 you have to take 10 minus 1. For 9 we take the number add 0 and then multiply minus that number. For 11 we take the number times 10, then plus that number times 1. For 49 you take that number multiply by 10, then minus 9. For 99 add 20 with that multiply by 100. So In P4, you remember that you have seen how to multiply quickly by 10, by 20, by 30, by 40, by 50, 60, until to 90. You take that number, multiply by 0, or multiply by 4, multiply by 10, multiply by 5, multiply by 10, multiply by 6, multiply by 10, multiply by 70, multiply by 10, multiply by 80, add 0, or multiply by 10. For example, 8 times 13, you will take 8 times 10, or add 0 times 3, or take 80 times 3, which is equal to 24, exactly equal to 10, or times 10. So for 5 and 25, you have to use a division. For 5, you divide by, you take that number, multiply by 10, then divide by 2. For 50, take that number, multiply by 100, divide by 2. For 25, divide by 4, because it's 100. So the homework here, you have to pause, then copy those homework, because they say 3 questions. Take your notebook and then copy this homework. The first question is to write the numbers in A in figure, B in words, and C in words. Then number 2 is to write in short form. We have seen short form, and then have seen how to expanded form. Expanded is same as value. Here is to find the value. Then you work out here division by single digit. Here is by the minus, or subtraction, and the multiplication. So take a pause for those one in order to copy in your notebook, please. Take a pause, a little pause here, and then copy in your notebook. Then after, continue for another one. Number 4, by using quick multiplication. By using quick multiplication, try to multiply by 11, 99, 5, 80, 25, 90, 45, 49, and so on. 25 and 5 you have seen in the P form. You use a division. Then the question number 5a, 25 schools have 200 because idea in schools and explain. So number B, a farmer had 468 seedlings planted in 18 rows. Each row had an equal number of seedlings. Then how many seedlings were there in each row? So thank you for watching. Hope you like it, and I wish every student to do this homework. And not all tell you, you will continue with integers, addition and subtraction of integers, number line, by using a number line or not. Thank you. I love you so much. I'm Rukundo Alliance, your teacher of mathematics. Homework quickly and then clearly. I love you. I hope you like it. Have a nice Saturday and a nice Sabbath. Thank you.